Today behind the yellow door, I'm not behind it, I'm in front of it. And look what I'm doing. I know I'm dirty, y'all, and I know my hair's pulled back, and I don't have any makeup on, but I could not resist this beautiful day. It is probably 70 something degrees with a light breeze, and the sun is shining. It is a clear blue sky, and I've got on my gardening gloves, and what that means is it is time to do a little fluffing here at the front of our store. So I found these beautiful geraniums from our local Ace Hardware. Of course, I absolutely love this kind of coral pink. As you can see here, I have pulled out, I've got a mess going on over here. I have pulled out the old soil, put new soil in. I'm gonna add some things to that, and then I'm gonna put this one over here, and then I am going to the patio, working on that so it'll be fresh and beautiful, and then I'll get to working next week on our window boxes. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get fluffed up here in just a few minutes, and we'll finish up behind the yellow door inside. See you soon. Okay, so I did a quick cleanup, and I am so excited to show y'all. Look, Easter has blossomed here at the front door. So this is kind of right as you come in. We've got some beautiful flowers planted. Loving all of the Easter goodies here. And I want to show y'all, not only do we have Easter goodies for decorating your home or what have you, but we have all the Easter colors to wear, which makes everybody feel so happy and comfortable. So follow me, we're gonna walk on in, and I'm gonna show you some of the other beautiful things that just arrived. Now, we're gonna stop right here real quick, and I'm gonna tell you about the dress that I have on. This is by the House of MBR, our friend Michelle Bradley Robertson. This is her dress. And I also wanna show you the one, we have sold out of this dress. This was one of the first of the season, but we just got in this beautiful one. Now, what you need to know about Michelle's dresses is she's an artist, and this is actually her artwork on the dresses, and it's absolutely fabulous. So I have it in a long dress here, and then I also have it here in a blouse. Y'all, this is one of the prettiest things. Put it on with some white jeans or some regular jeans, and it is stunning. Of course, we love the little ruffled collar. We love the longer sleeves. So for those of you who like to cover your arms, this is a great option. And then follow me right here, because y'all have to see. Let me show you all this. Look at this precious little dress that just came in time for Easter. This is a perfect little Easter dress. And then we'll just scooch on around. We've got some new Gretchen Scott here. Some beautiful pinks. Y'all know we're all about pink here at Two Friends. Look at this beautiful pink maxi. This is all embroidered here on the front by Emily McCarthy. And then let me show you another Michelle Bradley dress. Y'all, look at this. Do you have an event? If you do, if you have an event coming up this spring, this is a showstopper of a dress. It has the V in the front, or you can turn it around, wear the V in the back. Either way, what a great option. All of these goodies are on our website. So if you see something you like as we're kind of walking around, head over to the website and check out our new arrivals. But look here. Oh my goodness. Another beautiful Easter dress with this beautiful embroidery all the way around the skirt of the dress. All the way around. Oh, absolutely stunning. And then follow me right here. Look at this one. This embroidery is all over the entire dress. Oh, y'all. This would be beautiful for Easter or summer wedding, spring or summer wedding. And then I've got one left, I think, of this dress. Again, buttons all the way up the front. Absolutely stunning. So that's our little show for this week. We have got more fun things going on in the store today. Everybody's happy, the weather is beautiful, the temperature is just right, and if you're headed to St. Simons for spring break or for a quick visit, we hope you'll stop by and visit with us because we would sure like to see you. Hope y'all have a great week ahead.